Today we got Samsung S8 blown battery causing phone very slow. We got also the back glass is broken and we are going to replace it also. So we have two things to replace, the battery and the back glass. As you can see, the screen is broken, but the customer didn't ask for screen replacement. Now we can start. We heat the back glass with 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and as we need. The back glass already opened, but we need to heat it a little so we can remove it. We don't need the glass to be everywhere. The blown battery causing the back glass to be opened by itself. It pushed the back glass. Take care of the flex cable of the sensor. It's in the middle of that sensor. It was unplugged, so be careful to unplug it before you remove it. You could be cut or damage the flex cable. Now we need to take out all the screws. I can't remember why I'm checking the cameras. Maybe the customer asked me to check them. The front one, it's making a problem from the glass, I think. Take out plastic bracket shielding the board. After that, unplug the battery. In order to remove the battery, we need to put some alcohol under the battery so the glue will become not working. A few alcohol and then you can see the magic. As you can see, the battery it's out. Easy peasy. Drain the alcohol. At this time I wasn't having the new battery and the back glass. I ordered them and here they are. Put the battery assembled and then put the shielding brackets. I'm going to test the phone because it was stuck while with the old battery. So I'm going to check with the new battery if the problem will be gone or not. The problem has gone with the new battery. The phone becomes faster than before. So blown battery, what causing the problem of the phone? Now we need to assemble the phone back. We have already fixed the problem by replacing the battery. After that we will put the new back glass in position. It's important to remove all the glue from the frame so we can put the new back glass in position. All that unnecessary adhesive isn't necessary to be there unless you want to put the new glass in a bad position. It will be like it's not fitting in place. So cleaning the adhesive is very important. After that we need to take out the fingerprint flex cable from the old back glass. You can hit it from the back. Also we need the camera frame. It's like lenses. We need to put them on the new back glass. So we need to take out two pieces, fingerprint with the frame of the camera. Now you can remove the sticker from the glass and put the frame of the camera. After that we will put the sensor flex cable of the fingerprint. All in position. Now we need just to put the flex cable and plug it on the phone, and that's it. If you have any questions, please leave it on the comments below. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.